morning, dear students. Today's topic is density of cubic crystal of elements, molecules, or ions in solid state. सॉलिड स्टेट लैटिस की डेंसिटी फाइंड करना है जिनकी पैकिंग क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल में होती है. नाउ स्टार्ट. डेंसिटी ऑफ क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल ऑफ एलिमेंट. ओके, लेट अस सपोज एज लेंथ ऑफ यूनिट सेल इज a. Number of atom is in unit cell is equal to Z. Okay, mass of element is m. वॉल्यूम ऑफ यूनिट सेल ए क्यूब. ए क्यूब क्यों हो गया? आपने पहले कर रखा है यूनिट सेल लेंथ इज ए. ए इज द एज लेंथ, दैट्स वाई वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू ए क्यूब. सभी जानते हो आप डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. इसी बेसिस पे डेंसिटी ऑफ यूनिट सेल रो इज इक्वल टू मास ऑफ यूनिट सेल. ओके, मास ऑफ यूनिट सेल divided by volume of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Okay, mass of unit cell and divided by volume of unit cell. This is the formula to calculate unit cell. Now mass of unit cell is equal to number of atoms into mass of atom, means Z into m, and volume of unit cell is a cube. Okay, now mass of atom, how can it calculated? Atomic mass divided by Avogadro number. Avogadro number is 6.023 10 to the power 23. Okay, it is the mass of atom. And after calculation mass of atom, we find out mass of unit cell. This is the mass of atom, and this is the Z. Z is the number of atoms present in unit cell. It may be 1 in case of simple cubic, it may be 2 in case of FCC, it may be 4 in case of BCC, FCC 4 and BCC 2. Now density of ionic compound, similarly same pattern, mass upon volume, where Z is the number of formula unit present in one unit cell, m is called molecular mass of formula unit. It is very simple. इस पे क्वेश्चंस आपको मिलेंगे बोर्ड एग्जाम में, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर इन सॉलिड स्टेट चैप्टर. इट इज़ द डेंसिटी ऑफ क्रिस्टल. नाउ वी स्टार्टिंग नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, imperfection in solids. Imperfection means absolute zero temperature. Each materials are perfect, but at normal temperature some imperfections are observed in our lattice or in solids. That's why imperfection topic in solid is taken. In the lattice of crystal and solid, on the basis of arrangement of constituent particles, different type of imperfection are possible through therefore in general all the crystalline solids are not perfect. Okay, imperfection are possible in crystalline solid due to what? Due to vacancies of cations, or dislocation of anions, or excess of cations, or deficiency of anions, etc. These are the causes behind imperfection. Type of imperfection is commonly known as point. These type, इस तरह के कहते हैं point defect. Now we have taken type of point defects. Types of point defect. First is the stoichiometric defect. Second, non-stoichiometric defect. Third, impurity defect. Okay, these are the type of point defect. First is stoichiometric defect. First one is stoichiometric defect. stoichiometric defect. In this type of defect, stoichiometric remains constant before and after imperfection. Means जो उनकी stoichiometry होगी वो remains constant होगी before and after imperfection. It is also known as thermodynamic defects. Stoichiometric defect can be achieved by two ways. First, vacancy defect. Second, instrumental defect. First, vacancy defect. Second, instrumental defect. Okay. Now, vacancy defect. This defect is observed after removal of cation. Removal of cations. Anions from their lattice of solid. In this defect, density of lattice decreases. Why decreases? Some cations and anions are removed from lattice. Volume remains same, but mass decreases. Therefore, density should be decreases. In this defect, density of lattice decreases. This type of defect can also be developed when lattice is heated. आप लैटिस को हीट करोगे तो इस तरह के डिफेक्ट आपको क्या करेंगे, दिखेंगे. दिस इज कॉल्ड वैकेंसी डिफेक्ट. आप इधर देख लो, दिस इज द लैटिस. इस लैटिस में देखो आप कैटायन एनायन सारे लग रखे हैं. आप अब देखोगे कि इस पोजीशन पे two positions are vacant. One is cation and second one is anion. Both are removed. That's why it is called vacancy defect. This defect is called vacancy defect after removal of cations and anions. And it is the example of stoichiometric defect. Means before and after ratio of cations and anions remains same. Next, interstitial defect. When some constituent particles of solid lattice displace from their actual site से हट जाएंगे to interstitial site. They shifted from actual site to interstitial site, and it is of the lattice. Therefore, this defect is called interstitial defect. After this defect, density remains constant. During this defect, generally cations are displaced due to their small size. इंटरस्टिशियल साइट में देखा जाता है कैटायंस अपनी पोजीशन को छोड़ के कहाँ को शिफ्ट करते हैं, इंटरस्टिशियल साइट. आप फिगर में देख सकते हैं. ओके, ये जो पोजीशन थी ये कैटायन की है. कैटायन यहाँ से क्या करके अपने इंटरस्टिशियल साइट को क्या करके चला गया. बिकॉज कैटायंस आर स्मॉलर, देयरफॉर दे कैन इजीली adjust in interstitial site. Therefore, in interstitial defect, cations shifted to interstitial site. Now, one defect is very important. That defect is called Frankel defect. This defect is observed in those ionic lattice where smaller ions, usually cations, are dislocated from their normal site to interstitial site. After this defect, vacancies are created at original site. Frankel defect is commonly known as dislocation defect. Frankel is commonly known as dislocation defect, FD. FD, Frankel dislocation. Frankel defect is commonly known as dislocation defect. Frankel defect is commonly known as dislocation defect. ड्यूरिंग दिस डिफेक्ट डेंसिटी ऑफ क्रिस्टल लैटिस रिमेन्स सेम। लैटिस में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा। नॉर्मली कौन शिफ्ट करेंगे? कैटायंस। कहाँ को शिफ्ट करेंगे? इंटरस्टिशियल साइट को। कहाँ से? फ्रॉम देयर ओन पोजीशन, नॉर्मल साइड से। फ्रैंकल डिफेक्ट इज कॉमनली नोन एज डिसलोकेशन डिफेक्ट। ड्यूरिंग दिस डिफेक्ट density remains same. That's why Frankel defect is an example of interstitial defect, and commonly it is two word Frankel due to dislocation. It is an example of what? It is an example of interstitial defect. Okay, interstitial defect. Examples: ZNS, AGCL, AGBR, AGI. In these examples, size of cation is so smaller in comparison to size of anion. Okay. After Frankel defect, electrical neutrality of solid lattice is maintained. Electrical neutrality maintain होगा because charges remain same. Number of positive charges is equal to number of negative charges. Second well-known, very important defect is called Schottky. In this defect, vacancy defect is observed because of equal number of cations and anions are removed. In Schottky defect, it is also vacancy defect. It observed because equal number of cations and anions are removed from crystal lattice. Therefore, electrical neutrality maintained. In Schottky defect, density decreases and some vacant sites are created. Reason: this is the vacant space. इधर से जो आपका कैटायन या एनायन जो मूव कर गया, इधर से भी कोई मूव कर गया, मीन्स मास डिक्रीज, देयरफॉर डेंसिटी डिक्रीज. मास डिक्रीज, देयरफॉर डेंसिटी डिक्रीज, एंड simultaneously some vacant sites should be created during Schottky defect. What is the basic principle of Schottky defect? Removal of cations but in equal number. Equal number of cations and anions are removed. Short form of Schottky, SR. What is the meaning? SR. Schottky defect due to removal, and similarly FD. FD means Frankel defect due to dislocation and Schottky defect due to removal. It is the code word for Frankel and Schottky. FDSR. FDSR. What is meaning of FDSR? Frankel due to dislocation, Schottky due to removal. Okay, these are the examples of point defects as well as of vacancy defect, interstitial defect. Okay, next topic is non-stoichiometric. It will be discussed next day. Okay, thank you.